past or future event, then you are residing on another planet with a different reality system. This quote comes out of a book called Your Erroneous Zones. It was put out back in around 1978. And I wish that I had read the book and saw this information way before then. It would have been really helpful. Because what ended up happening is the information that comes out of this book, for me, was that the whole process of worry and guilt was a big part of the book, in how they're two useless feelings, because there's no reason to worry, there's no reason to feel guilty, because worry is worry about what? You can't change, 90% of the time you can't change what's going to happen, so what's the use of worrying about it? And then guilt is for if things already happened, what can you do about it? You really can't change that either. I mean, because obviously you can apologize to people and things like that, but as far as feeling guilty about something that has concretely already happened, it's kind of hard to change things like that. So it was a really good book for me to read and to understand, and to let go mainly my family, which this book helped me a lot, to disassociate from them, to better myself. At the time I was like in Worcester, Mass, going through a halfway house for alcoholics. And it really helped to break away and just look at myself and try to deal with what was going on in my life at the time. So that's how this whole process of this quote and everything came up for me. And we got 4 speakers, and out of the 5 speakers, we got 5 speakers, and mostly all the speakers are very accomplished people. They've completed lots of books and lots of manuals, and 2 of them are going to be getting completing another process in the book to get their next step, the next award. And the first speaker that we're going to have is going to be using a projector, and it's going to be Shay.
Oh, we're going to start with the general evaluator.
Oh, sorry, that's right. I gotta introduce the people first.
Did you
Actually,
do you have an agenda?
Okay, the first thing we're going to do is introduce our team evaluator. She's going to evaluate the team and in the room and let us know what she thinks about it afterwards. And that's going to be Agnes.
This is my first time too, so I'm with you. Thank you, Mike. Good evening, everyone. Yes, my role as general evaluator is to evaluate the meeting this evening. Things on a positive note, things that we do well, and there's a few instances, there's a few things that we need to work on, to also share that with everybody. And as everyone says, it's a team effort. There's no I in team. So I went to a class a couple of weeks ago, and when we went around the room and said, "What'd you get out of this?" Because it was your impact on others. I guess it's not all about me. Since it's not all about me, I like to bring up the team, and I'm going to bring the meeting to one of the team members, which is the timer. Because I don't know if you can get up here, with everything that's going on. If you'd like to just stand here, that would be acceptable.